Now we are down to the third tool, and in the third tool we are going to be explaining how to do a voiceover. And you probably need it because you are not just going to be showing a video without sound to your audience. You are going to be needing a voice that is going to direct your audience in the path or the direction where you want them to go. And guys, for the voiceover we have different softwares like Audacity and the likes. I'm going to be showing you a video that properly explains how you are going to be using it. But also guys, I have this voiceover killer software that helps you turn your written text into speech. And guys, this voiceover software can also help you get paid, because you can also apply for jobs on Fiverr and other freelancing sites. And although this voiceover software is a paid one, it's not a free one, and it's very cheap, and it only includes the one-time payment, unlike other voiceover software or platform. So guys, I'll be dropping the link in the description below. Do well to check it out, and also check this video out.
Prophet Voice is the ultimate voiceover creator, instant translator, and video editor. This cloud-based software will turn any text into a beautiful voiceover complete with voice inflections and different talking styles. It's simply put your own army of voiceover artists working for you 24/7. Not only that, it also comes with instant translation in 75 languages, so you can publish videos and articles in unlimited international languages as well. Plus, it even has its own video maker, so you can combine it with translation and voiceover, and become the next TikTok and YouTube sensation, on the US market and abroad as well, using the power of translation. Best part yet? It's 100% simple to use, and it works incredibly well. This video you're watching and listening to has been created with Prophet Voice. Even those words you're hearing right now are software generated. And with commercial license built in, you can now sell these services to others online. People are paying hundreds on Fiverr for voiceovers, translations, and video making services. And local companies are ready to pay thousands for quality work like the one Prophet Voice generates.
This is the fourth tool.